Thanks for dropping in. For the last month, I've been hard at work on my most intricate design yet. Dozens of polygons were tortuously twisted to form the labyrinthine landscape of its multifaceted, undulating surface. This is my 3D printed cityscape. Don't be fooled by its apparent simplicity. What you see is refinement. Every building and every road has been carefully placed to convey a larger tale for those with the discernment to find it. Will you challenge yourself to find the truth hidden within? If so, the design is free to download and print for yourself using the links in the video description. But I must caution you, this is a difficult print. Due to the model's large overhangs, supports are required. And for strength, I recommend printing this design with 3.5 perimeter walls and 100% lightning infill. As for filament, capellini or properly dampened PLA will work just fine. Assuming your print is complete, it's time to assemble the model. You'll need the main print, 42 12mm long M3 bolts, 4 6x3 cylinder magnets, a bottle of lemon extract, 1 Felis caddis, and 2 cat treats. First, give the cat a treat. Next, place the bolts, magnets, and lemon extract aside. Finally, give the cat a second treat for a job well done, because assembly is complete. That's it for this video. There definitely isn't a completely different model for you to find and print. And even if there was, you shouldn't expect a future update to go over that model in detail in 2 weeks. Until next time, happy printing, and thanks for stopping by.